Understanding the Audit Service Act 2000, Act 584, and how it guides the work of the Audit Service. Firstly, Section 4 of Act 584 provides that the Board shall, among others, ensure that the auditing activities of the Audit Service, as spelled out in this Act, are carried out in accordance with best international practices. Section 19 of Act 584 emphasizes that the Auditor General, while auditing public accounts, must use methods consistent with emerging practices in governmental auditing. These include environmental audits and forensic audits, as adopted by the International Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions, ISANAIs, and other recognized global bodies. Furthermore, to the Audit Service Act 584, Regulation 27, Sub-Regulation 2 of CI 70, requires that the Board shall ensure that the range of external auditing activities are carried out by the Service in accordance with these regulations and emerging methodologies recognized by ISAIs. The big question: what auditing standards has the Audit Service adopted? Currently, INTOSAI recognizes the following international standards of Supreme Audit Institutions, or ISAIs, which Audit Service comply. ISA 130, the Code of Ethics. ISA 140, Quality Control Standards. ISI 200, Principles of Financial Auditing. ISI 300, Principles of Performance Auditing. ISI 400, Principles of Compliance Auditing, the Financial Audit Methodology, or FAM, based on ISA 200, with 2022 revised manual, involves gathering evidence to check if an entity's financial statements are complete, accurate, and fairly presented. This process ensures compliance with the relevant financial reporting and regulatory frameworks. FAM is also integrated into the Audit Management Information System, or AMIS, for greater efficiency. Who is the target audience for Financial Audit Methodology, FAM? It is for GAS financial auditors and senior management. And how does it help? It provides essential guidance on conducting a financial audit with accuracy and alignment to standards. But here's an interesting fact. Since 2017, there have been no current standards for Regularity Audit Methodology, or RAM. Now, on to Performance Audit Methodology, or PAM, as stated in ISAI 300, is carried out by Audit Service as an independent, objective, and reliable examination of whether government undertakings, systems, operations, programs, activities, or organizations are operating in accordance with the principles of economy, efficiency, and effectiveness, and ascertain whether there is room for improvement. Who is the target audience for Performance Audit Methodology, PAM, for GAS performance auditors and senior management? And how does it help? It provides clear guidance on conducting a performance audit effectively. Lastly, the Compliance Audit Methodology, or CAM, under ISAI 400, provides an independent assessment of whether a particular subject matter, determined by the Auditor General, follows applicable authorities identified as criteria. Usually, CAM under ISAI 400 is referenced as standalone compliance audit. It highlights non-conformities, suggests corrective actions, and helps organizations reduce risks from non-compliance. Who is the target audience for Compliance Audit Methodology, CAM, for GAS standalone compliance auditors and senior management? And how does it help? It offers step-by-step direction on how to conduct a standalone compliance audit with precision. Please note difference between standalone CAM and compliance review in FAM compliance considerations in financial auditing is limited, and it is described under ISA 1250 with the following objectives. A. To obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence regarding compliance issues recognized to have a direct effect on the determination of material amounts and disclosures in the financial statements. B. To perform specified audit procedures to help identify instances of non-compliance issues that may have a material effect on the financial statements. And C. To respond appropriately to non-compliance or suspected non-compliance issues identified during the financial audit. Under INTOSAI Good 5100, Information System Audit Concepts and Principles have been integrated into Fam Pam Cam, with to address issues on audit clients' digital investment for their business process. This will ensure that GAS produce value-adding integrated audit reports with considerations on complex information technology systems. Management has ensured that all the specific working papers under each of the adopted methodology, FAM, PAM, and CAM, have been configured in an electronic platform called Audit Management Information System, AMIS. This will ensure operational efficiency, real-time reviews, and audit trail. The goal for FAM, PAM, and CAM is to ensure compliance with the audit standards throughout an audit cycle, minimizes risks, enhances operational efficiency, strengthens decision-making, ensures quality, builds stakeholders' confidence, fosters continuous improvement, and preparedness for external peer review assessments. So, what's the takeaway? To stay aligned with the Audit Service Act and CI 70, we must embrace new audit methodologies and adopt a mindset shift for the future of auditing. Together, let's ensure audits are carried out with integrity, efficiency, and global best practices. The future of auditing is here.